Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create elevator mirror effect on Higgsfield AI. So if you want to take this kind of picture or recreate it, this is how to do such with Higgsfield AI. All you have to do is to go to this website higgsfield.ai, sign in or create an account, scroll to the Higgsfield source section, which is the second major section. The first one is the visual effects section, which helps you create mind-blowing visual effects all with the push of a button. So on the Higgsfield, so scroll and choose the elevator mirror. It will bring you to a page similar to this where you can actually choose from the beautiful array of photos and images available for you here. You can see the various samples you created, and you can actually recreate this by clicking on any of them to recreate. You can also consider your aspect ratio. So some are in 9:16, others 3:2, 4:3, 9:16:9 also. So let me assume let me say I want to create this. I'll just click on it and it will bring me to a page where I can actually see the prompt used to create that particular image. I can scroll down, I can copy the prompt, or just click on recreate. So seeing that I've copied the prompt already, so I can click on recreate in this section, and then it should take me to a page where I can actually edit the prompt to my taste and recreate the image. So on this page you can just scroll through the prompt and see where you can actually change, or what you can change from the image prompt and to get what you want. Or you can also upload your own image here by creating your own character, and then you can always replace your character with whatever image subject image is here. You can change the resolution and make it high or basic. The high uses 2 credits to recreate your image, while the basic uses a single credit. This resolution is 3:2, this aspect ratio rather is 3:2, so you can actually switch it up to any of the other aspect ratios here, and then click on generate, and then you would have your image. It will come out this way, and all you have to do is to switch to, you can click on video or speak to add this effect to it, and then you can download it for free here, and it will get downloaded to your device here. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, please subscribe as we're actively trying to grow this channel.